Okay, alright guys, welcome back to your tutorial. For this tutorial, what I was planning to do, I was gonna show you something. It's gonna be like how you can protect yourself from threats. The tricks are gonna be like, for instance, there might be a hacker that might do some kind of JavaScript into your website and can do a lot of damage to your website. Okay, so to show you in a simple example, for instance, think of a scenario that a hacker comes and type this thing. Type script tags. For sure, I guess you guys know JavaScript. So just for you guys who don't know what does JavaScript means, it is a client-side scripting language that allow you to do some different things. Like PHP is not, it's not a server-side, but rather it is a client-based scripting language. Okay. For instance, so if a hacker comes and if he types something like this, for instance, alert, for instance, you want to type my here, for instance. So this is information updating field. So if it comes and if it updates, this thing is going to change because this thing is going to display the first name of the user, right? So if I come here and update, it's going to display a JavaScript for me. This is not something that I want. Okay, like if I came here, my site is going to be here. Okay, so if I came here and came to database here, it's gonna, the first name is gonna be in a tags or something. It's gonna alert the name again and again. It's not something that I want. Even it can make some modification. For instance, let me update with a proper way and let me type mama here. And if I came here and if someone comes here and type, for instance, an order list, and if underline this thing, if it underline this thing again, if it is make this thing an order list, underline is gonna be a single U only. Then if someone comes and make this thing bold by using strong, it's just writing some HTMLs here, right? Strong. Guess what will happen? Okay, see how much my site is messed up here. Okay, it's bold again, it's underlined. This is not what I want. Okay, whenever the interface is designed, I just want to do it by myself. Okay, all here, all my site is messed up. Okay, so I don't want this thing to be this privilege to be granted for the user. I don't want that to happen. So there is one solution for this thing, which is called if you probably were in my previous tutorials, we made a function which is called sanitize data and sanitize function, right? So what you are going to do, you're gonna type something which says strip tags, okay, which is gonna make your field not to accept tags. Okay, tags are something that are embedded between greater than and less than sign. So anything between greater than and less than sign are gonna be rejected from this field. Okay, so whenever you are using a strip tag, and to convert this thing into HTML non-readable form, you're gonna type something which is called HTML entities. Okay, so you're gonna close this thing out, and again I embed this thing in HTML entities. Then I'm gonna type strip tags here. So I'm gonna embed my SQL real escape string like this. Okay, so if I came here and if I try to make some modifications, like for instance, I made an order list, I made underline this thing, and I press update here, it doesn't affect my website. Okay, just it will remain as it is. Like even I'm trying to make some JavaScript here. If I type script, and if I came here and press alert and type my here, and if I press update, it's not gonna treat it at it's not gonna treat it at as HTML element. Okay, but it's just simply gonna say alert my here. If you came here and if you inspect this element here, I guess it's gonna be, I guess this is a field that I want to inspect. You see, there is no tags here. It doesn't say script. It doesn't say script. Okay, it's gonna treat this as a plain text. Okay, so this is what I plan to teach you for this tutorial. I guess everything is set right now. We are fully protected from any JavaScript related hacks. Okay, so on the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you some awesome things that you can do with PHP. So till we meet on the next tutorial, keep on liking, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing my videos. Thank you very much. Ciao.